Assalamu alaikum and welcome to mathematics class for standard 5th chapter 7. Can you see the patterns? Part 3. We are going to start this part with the page here which is shown. Here one star is there, as you could see, and here on the same line actually the star is there, but here the equality is there. That means on equals this side, that is left side, and equals right side. Here also you have the star, here also you have the star. Here also you have the pentagon, here also you have the pentagon. Here you have a square which is in the shape of a kite. Here also a square, right? Now as you can see that before equal and after equal, if you are going to see that things are same but only their order is changed. Order is changed, that means first position star, second position pentagon, third position square. But after equal it is first position square, second position star, and third position pentagon is there. So if the order is changed, the equality is both the side remains the same. This actually is the explanation of this kind of figures given here. Now let's see the next one. According to what we have seen, that if the order is changed, there is no change in the answer. So here is your question A, where in the star 14 is there, here is the equality and another star is this side. That means here is one and here is one star. So it is already there for us, no need to write. But two things are missing. That is a square with 34 number and circle with 20 number. So if you are going to write this at these places, the order on the left side of equal and the order on the right side of the equal may change, but the answer will remain the same. Now suppose if you want to write your box 34 here, so it's okay, you can write here, and you want to write circle 20 here, then it is also okay, no problem. But suppose if you want to change the order, now suppose if you want to change the order, so how are you going to change the order? Suppose now in this circle I write 20 here and in the box I write 34 here. So it doesn't matter. If you are going to change the order, the answer to this side of equal, that is left side, and towards the right side will never change. It will be same. I hope you understood that how this is being done. Now what you have to do? You have to now fill these spaces. Okay, now here is the equality, left side and right side. So what is missing we will put in any order you can write. Now this is equality, right? Let me raise and tell you once again that this is equality. Now one flower is here but it is missing towards the right side. So the position what is vacant, you are going to write star here by drawing it, and the number 42. So this is filled. Now come towards the left side of equal. Here this 65 hexagon is missing. As is on the number 1 position, so we cannot write here. You can, but as you want to change the order, you will write it here 65. Okay, and remaining is your this hexagon, and hexagon will be placed to this side. I hope you understood with number 80. So if you are going to change the order, your answer will remain the same. So this way you are going to do it the rest of all in your textbook. What are the rest of all? See, your question number C is there, right? Your question C is there. Your question D is there. D is actually having nothing here. See, all places are vacant. So what you are going to do, any three numbers you pick it up and you write down here. Suppose I write 1 and then here I write 7 and here I write 9. So suppose these places are vacant now. Now as you can see, 9 I have written here but it is missing here to this side. So what I will do, I will write 9 here. Now what is missing? Missing is 1 and missing is 7. Where? here and here. So change the order. 1 and 7 is there. So what we are going to do? We are going to write 7 first and 1 afterward, just to change the order, nothing else. So 7, so see, 9 plus 1 10 plus 7 17 towards the left side of equal. Now come towards the right side of equal. It is 9 plus 1 10 plus 7 17. So if you are going to add towards both the side of equal, your answer will not change. Okay, that means you are just changing the order. This happens not only in addition, means not only in addition, it goes also with the multiplications. You multiply 48 with 13 or you multiply 13 with 48, the answer will remain equal. Okay, so this is what this type of pattern teaches us. The whatever missing contents are there, we are going to do it. Now let's move ahead. Left and right seems the same. Now what is this? There are something which on adding, or they are something special. For example, take a number, say this one, 43. You change the order of 43, it will change to 34. So here the number changes, right? Now look at this number 77. Even if you reverse it, the number remains same. So such numbers are called special numbers. Such numbers are called special numbers. I hope you understood. Now let's move ahead. See, another number taken is 48. After changing the order, 8 comes first and 4 afterwards, that is 84. Now add them. So if you are going to add them, we are going to get 132. Okay, and again, if this is a special number? No, it is not a special number. That means if you are going to change the order from backside, if you are going to write it is 231. So it is not a special number. So what kind of special number? So we are going to carry on with it. Okay, let's move ahead. Now let's another number taken as this number only, 132 and 231, turn it back. Okay, that means reverse order. Now what is it is done, you know, addition is done and got the answer is 363. So this is a special number? Yes, this is the special number. Now why this is special number, you know? See, 3, if you are going to write 363 and you reverse this order, this 3 first, then comes 6, then comes the first 3. The order, if it is changed, the number does not change. So can you say that whether this 363 is a special number? Yes, this is a special number, because when you change the order from backside to front, if you are going to write, the order changes but the number remains the same. So that's why this is called a special number. Now let's move ahead. See, from these numbers you are going to write the special number. So how you can make it special? What you can do, you know, you are going to add 2 and 8, 8 and 2. What it will be? It will be 110. Right? So is this makes a special? No, that does not make a special, right? So like this you are going to try with 132, that is question B, and 273. Okay, now look at these lemons. No lemons, no melons. Something is only changed and it makes them special. The change of only L to M, that's it. In the place of L, M is written, and in the place of M, L is written, and the whole thing has changed as a new statement. No lemons changes to no melons. So this is how the special letters also comes, or you may say the special words. Now look at the next one. Could you see steps not on pets? Now if you are going to read it backside, now let's read it backside. Okay, see, if you are going to read S-T-E-P, it is same as steps, right? N-O-T, not, as if this not, then O-N, on. That means reverse order. I am reading the reverse order. On, P-E-T-S, pets. That means this is a very special words, right? Why these are very special words? Because on reversing the whole sentence, then also the statement does not changes. So this is how the special cases are there. Now let's move ahead. Here comes one magic calendar. Now we are going to deal with a magic calendar. What does a magic calendar have? They are having some patterns in that. Let's study what patterns do they have. See, among this square, right, the special number, that is smallest number, is 3. And if you are going to add 8 to it, the answer is 11. And then you multiply 9 to it, your answer is 99. So what's special in this? The speciality is the total is 99, right? So what's the speciality in this? The speciality is this: the middle numbers, and that means this is a what you can find the total of all these numbers in the boxes. We have to find the total of all these boxes, all these numbers. That is 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 10 plus 11 plus 12 plus 17 plus 18 and plus 19. If you are going to add, your total will be definitely 99. So the shortcut is what just now we have done. The shortcut is what, you know, that if you take the smallest number and you add 8 to it, your answer is always the middle number. And the middle number, if you're going to multiply by 9, your answer is 99. So this will be the total of all these numbers which are there in the box. This is what the trick for the calendar magic trick. Okay, we can call it as calendar magic trick, because every time we are actually making the box, we are making from a calendar. Okay, so this is how it is being done. Now there is one more shortcut, that you make any magic square in the calendar and you take just the center number, whatever it will be. You have to just multiply it by 9. Whatever the answer will come, that answer will be the total of the whole numbers which are present in that square. So this is the shortcut. Okay, let's move ahead. We are going to go for the patterns now. Okay, some more patterns. Here in this pattern, what we are going to see, this is 12 multiplied by 2 will give you 24, and plus 3 will give you 27, right? Next, now for the whole pattern we are going to see. Look at 12 3s are 36, plus 3 will give you 39, 12 4s are 48, plus 3 will give you 51, 12 5s are 60, plus 3 will give you 63. Now what will be the next one? According to the pattern, we have taken the table of 12, and in sequence we are multiplying with 2, with 3, 4, 5. So here is a vacant box where you are going to fill the number. So I hope you understood that it will be 6. 12 6 are 72, and plus 3 will give you the answer 75. So this is how you are going to fill the remaining things. I hope you understood what I want to teach here, right? And I hope you have learned that how the patterns we have to recognize. Some of the above things is already done for you. Now the rest of all things I hope you will be able to do, you know, writing 12 12 12 here, then writing after 7 it will be 8, it will be 9 here, right? And the rest of all will be the answers which you're going to multiply and add 3, and then you're going to get the answers. So this you're going to fill it in your textbook. This chapter is mostly based on patterns, and these patterns will not be drawn in your notebooks. Mostly this chapter is being taught to you to complete in the textbook itself. Now whatever the things which you are want to do practice, that practice you have to do in the book which is already issued to you by the school with the school book set. That is your Arihant's publication work practice book, right? In that you have this chapter where you are going to do the practice. Let's move ahead now. Okay, this is another pattern which we are going to see. And what is this pattern? You know, this is see 9 minus 1 divided by 8 gives you 1, right? Now just see the pattern, no need to calculate. Okay, now look at this, 98, 9 and the predecessor of 9 is 8, so 98, right? After 1 this is successor 2. That means for writing the next number we have taken 9's predecessor, right? So this is how it's been working. Now let us see for the next step. Okay, and here I forgot to tell you that after 1 it is the successor 1, after 1 you have the successor 2, so the answer is 1 2, that is 12, right? Now let's move ahead. Here we have 9, 8 and the predecessor of 8 is 7, so this is what they have written here. Now look at this, 1 after 1 comes 2, after 2 comes 3, so 3 written here. This 8 remains the same for the whole thing, so no need to change over it, right? Now look at this number, this was 1, after we have taken 1 and 2 and then comes 1 2 and 3, so we have learned the pattern that here we have to take the predecessor, here we have to take the successor, and then the numbers will increase by writing the successor of each like this. Now let's do it by ourselves, few things. That is, look at this, you're already written 9 8 7 6 and then the successor of 3 comes 4, divide by it. So what answer will come? It will be 1 2 3 and 4. So we have learnt that, yes, we have learned the pattern, how it is been designed. We have learned the design, so we are now able to complete this here in the pattern wherever the blanks are given to us. I hope you understood and you will be able to do it. Now let's move ahead. This is another pattern. Okay, look at this. This is all your initial series of 1 to 10 where they have taken the total. It means if you are going to add it, we are going to get the answer as 55. Now look at this another series. This series is totally on all 1, that is 1 1 11, 1 2 12. Here it will be 1 3 13, 1 4 14, 1 5 15, 1 6 16, 1 7 17, 1 8 18, 1 9 19 and 2 0 20. This is all series of 1. It's all series of 1. That's why for 55 what they have added at the hundreds place, only 1. So your pattern is 155 because the series was of 1. Now look at the next one. The next one is of 2. 2 1 21, 2 2 22, 2 3 23 and so on. Now we know what number will come in these boxes, right? So this is the series of 2. So what my 100 place will have 2, and the next two numbers are common for every answer, that is 255. I hope you understood how the pattern has been designed. Okay, now the next number, next position is of 3. The series of 3 all will come here, 31 32 33 34 and so on. So answer will be 3 and the last two numbers are always same, that is 355. I hope you understood how it is being taught to you, how the pattern has been designed. So we are now able to learn the pattern and we are able to complete the rest. The rest you are going to do it by yourself. See, if you are going to check or verify that whether we are right or not, look at this series. This is the series of 5, 51, 52. So answer is on 100 place it is 5 and the last two numbers are always same for every answer. So this is how the pattern has been designed and we are exactly right in identifying the pattern and on. Okay, now comes the next one, this pattern. Look at this pattern. It is already available in your textbook. Now what is there in this? Here two equalities are there, right? And we have here 4 as an answer, where this side addition is there and this side multiplication is there. Answer is 4 for both. Now look, 1 plus 3 will give 4 and 2 multiplied by 2 will give the answer 4. That means if you move this side or calculation, or you move from this side calculation, the middle answers are always same, means they are equal for both the sides. Okay, now look at the another one. This is 1 plus 3 plus 5, that is 9, and 3 multiplied by 3 is also 9. So here we have two sides, left side, right side, and middle one are the answer of both the sides. So we understood the pattern now. Now let us fill the rest of all. Third one is also given just for confirmation. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 will give us 16, and 4 4 is also 16. Now one more thing, what addition they have taken, the addition of only odd numbers. See, after 1 comes 2, but 2 is not taken, 3 is taken. For the next next line they have taken 1, 3 and 5, all odd numbers taken. 1, 3, 5, 7, all odd numbers taken. 1, 3, 5, 7, and then comes one more, 9. If you're going to add this, so no need to add, shortcut is there. Here the series are there, 2, after 2, 3, after 3, 4. So next will be 5. 5 5s are 25. So over this answer exactly come. We have not added this side, but without adding we got the answer. This is how the shortcuts are developed, and we come to know that how this has been done. Now how they have taken this series only, I can explain this also. See, addition of two odd numbers, addition of 2 odd, that is 2 multiplied by 2. Addition of 3 odd numbers, that is 3 multiplied by 3. Addition of 4 odd numbers, that is 4 multiplied by 4. Addition of 5 odd numbers, so it will be 5 multiplied by 5. Addition of 6 odd numbers, so it will be 6 multiplied by 6. Addition of 7 odd numbers will be 7 multiplied by 7. I hope you understood the whole pattern, and you can complete it by yourself in your textbook. See, this chapter mostly you have to complete in your textbook. Okay dear, now let's move on. Now here is some hundreds, and means the largest half of 100, 6 more tens. These are the things which mental calculations is there, mental calculations. Okay, so write down your age and add 5 to 8, multiply the sum by 2, subtract 10 from it, next divide it by 2. What do you get? Is your friend surprised? That means it's a trick that you go on giving the multiplication, addition and task to it, and you come to know about the answer. So this is how the magic has been played for you in the things. Okay, now take a number and double it, and you get the answer, multiply it by 5, so and so forth. Okay, and then divide your answer by 10. You will get this kind of patterns to be done. So this things you are going to do it by yourself. It's a magic. I hope you will understand, because everything is same, only you have to change the number. Fine, so you will do it by yourself with pencil in your textbook. Fine dear students. Again take a number, double it again, add your same thing. You are going to do it, and you are going to see that what things are being done. You will do it by yourself. Now look at this D question. Again, it's a pattern to be understood. Now this pattern is 1. Okay, this time taken 1 multiple 1. Here it is 1 1 multiplied. That means for 1, now addition of 1 more 1 toward beside 1. That means 2 ones, multiply by 2 ones. The answer is 1 2 1. Okay, this is pattern which we are actually learning right now, how it has been designed. Now look at this, 1 1 1, 3 ones taken, multiply again by 3 ones. So answer is how it has been designed. See, this one and this one is at the end toward the corners, and middle number is actually the successor. Very good, successor of 1, that is 2. Now this 1 2 is same here, and 2 1 is same here. So what is in the center? It is the successor of 2, that is 3. Now let us see the next one. 1 2 3 is toward this side, and 3 2 1 is toward this side. So what is in the center? It is the successor of 3, that is 4. So what will come here? See, when 1 was taken, here it was 1. When 2 1 were taken, center number was 2. When 3 numbers were taken, the center number was 3. Now 4 ones will be there, multiplied by again 4 ones. And here we had completed our pattern. We had learned how it has been designed. I hope you understood, student, that how you're going to do it. Now let's move ahead. This is the end of our lesson. We had completed with all kinds of pattern we have seen. Right now it's time for you to complete it in your textbook. I made you understand that. Then also it will be very nice of you if you're going to use pencil and you're going to learn it. All explanation is there here. You can watch the video as many times as you want and you can learn them very nicely. Okay, it will be a revision also sometime if you want to recap your patterns, right? This is very special chapter because it has been your logical development, and I hope, students, that you are going to do it well. Well, students, by this I'm ending this video with a great hope that you are going to do well for this chapter. Have a nice day ahead, students. Goodbye for the time.